Today we are unboxing something different, so let's get right into it. Before we get to the printer, we can see that you can earn cash back by watching videos of products that you have purchased on buythis.co.za. That's very cool. Advanced Machinery recently launched its GoPrinter Handheld Printer on buythis.co.za, which is perfect for instant high-quality prints on the go. I came across this handheld printer, so I reached out to am.co.za and they sent one over so that I can try it out. Right, so the GoPrinter comes in a cardboard box which also provides some important information, such as that it supports Bluetooth, has a 4.3-inch touchscreen, 0.5 to 1 inch print head, and 600 dpi. Next, we remove the protective wrapping and then we can open the cardboard lid to see inside the box. Inside the box you will find an instruction manual with all the important information that you need to know, the printing guide so that you can easily print in a specific area or a straight line, the GoPrinter itself, a dry ink cartridge, the power supply cable, and a stylus. I just wanted to let you know that you can get 500 Rand off the GoPrinter by using my promo code CTG-GO. Just visit www.buythis.co.za, search for the GoPrinter and enter my promo code CTG-GO to get 500 Rand off your GoPrinter. So this is the GoPrinter and here is what you need to know. It has a built-in 4.3-inch touchscreen for design and operation with loads of features to choose from. You can print from a flash drive using the USB port. Prints on nearly any surface depending on which ink cartridge you are using. Is handheld and portable. And it has a rechargeable battery for portability, and it can also work via the charging cable without the battery when you need to charge it. To get started, remove the protective layer from the screen and then power on the unit using the power button located at the side of the GoPrinter. If the unit doesn't power on, the battery needs to be charged. When the printer starts up, you will see the GoPrinter startup screen and then the home screen, which has the date and 4 icons: Edit, File, Print and Settings. We headed to Settings first to correct the date and time. The 12.7mm GoPrinter is a compact, lightweight, handheld inkjet printer and is perfect for product labeling, customizing packaging, creating signage, DIY crafts at home, creative crafts and more on almost any surface. Whether you are looking to do logos, barcodes, QR codes or custom designs, the GoPrinter is ready to print on the go. The built-in touchscreen is used for operating the unit and entering text, symbols or selecting artwork. The built-in software lets you print instantly thanks to the software features like text input, combination dates, variable data and pattern logos. You can select from images, symbols, barcodes, serial numbers for batch printing, tables, TXT files and Excel sheets to print. You can create artwork on your computer, copy it to a USB drive and then plug the drive straight into the GoPrinter to print. I tried out the text interface to print Cape Town Guy. The interface is really easy to use and I use the edit tools to make the text the right size. This is done using the plus and minus symbols on the screen. Before you do a print, you need to install the cartridge. First, power off the unit and locate the slot on the side where the cartridge goes in. Tear open the wrapping of the cartridge and remove the protective cover over the printhead. Don't throw this out as you will need it when you are not using the cartridge. To insert the cartridge, pull the blue tab down in the printer and then slide the cartridge in. Then push the blue tab back up until it clicks back into place. If the blue tab does not click into place, the cartridge is not properly installed. Once you have used the software to create or select a file to print, you can now print by selecting Print on the screen, followed by either selecting the play button or pressing the trigger. The GoPrinter is then placed on the surface that you're going to print on, and the trigger must be pressed again. Once you hear a beep, you can move the printer to the right and it will print from your file. If you would like to print backwards, simply move the printer to the left when printing. To print from the same file again, place the GoPrinter again on the surface, pull the trigger, and when you hear the beep, you can just slide to the left or right to print. I also tested out printing a date, symbols, tables, QR codes, all in different sizes, and the results are really impressive, as you will see. It lets you print crisp, high-quality designs on a wide range of surfaces such as cardboard, paper, wood, glass, metal, plastic, and fabric. Once you are done printing, the cartridge must be removed and the protective cover must be placed back on. The GoPrinter is powered by a long-lasting removable lithium battery, so that you can take your printing anywhere. The GoPrinter is charged via a 2-prong outlet using the included power supply. When the unit is charging, the light will be red. Once fully charged, the light will be green. If the battery is flat, you can also use the power supply to power the unit for printing. The GoPrinter uses cartridges to print one color at a time, and you can choose from vibrant colors, either the dry cartridges for non-absorbent surfaces or blot cartridges for absorbent surfaces. Whether you need instant dry prints or deep vivid prints, the specialized cartridges ensure precise high quality results every time. I then tried to print from a flash drive via the USB port, and this was super easy. I selected an image of a dog, copied it to the 167.8 megabytes of internal storage, resized the image so that it prints correctly, and then I was ready to print. The image came out perfectly. The GoPrinter is currently for sale for R1,999 including VAT, but don't forget to claim your R500 off using my promo code CTG-GO. Thanks for watching.